how to make private photos and posts on Facebook. In order to do that, head over first right here to your actual Facebook profile. I will show you two methods to do it. Now click on this three dot, click right here on your lock profile, and click on this lock your profile option right here. And that way your friends, your photos, your posts will be private people that is actually not your friend. However, if you want to actually make it private altogether, even to your friends, you can click right here on your three line. Click on this gear icon right here and then click on the search setting. And onto the search settings, search in here for limit. You can see in here this limit, we can see past posts. And in here, you just need to make sure that you need to limit it. So if you actually made your account locked, it will automatically limit your past posts. So that's how you make private photos and posts on Facebook. Hope we helped.